Superman JP, Shirtless J, whichever. We got this box that finally came in today. And this is gonna be my first time opening it. I just cut it. So we're gonna try to, in theory, just lift up on it when it comes out. Show you what's in this box here. This is supposed to be the full exhaust for my 97 Eclipse GS Spyder. It's pretty shiny. It's not as shiny as I thought it would be. I gotta use my phone camera right now because my GoPro was charging. So, shouldn't want to get. Okay. They got some shrink wrap stuff up here. This is a big ass cannon. Look at this. I got a pretty big hand. Look at this. Huh? Yeah, he laying down. Freaking lady, get out of here. Interrupting my video. Alright, but yeah, man. It's got hangers built in. I'm not sure if they'll fit or not, but hopefully they should. This gasket was kind of just thrown in here. It's separating already. I don't think that's too good. It's bent up. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work, but it was just crammed in there. But I can't get over how big this freaking thing is. Look at this. What the fuck? I hope it's deep. I want it to be deep so bad. I want it to be deep. I hope it's deep. The headers are another thing I was curious about, because for what they got it labeled as for the GS Spyder here, it doesn't have the two bolts in the middle that's close together. It has the two separate ones, like the 2007 to 2005s, 2003 to 2005. All right, those have these separated ones like this. So that's what I ordered, and that's what came in. Hopefully it fits. I don't see a place for any kind of O2 sensor or whatever this is. So I don't know how that's gonna work. But that's it. Everything looks like it's gonna match up. We'll see. I might show you guys when it's done.